Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Insight on Business. My name is Michael Libbie, and we are talking business law with our guest, Rush Nigut from the Brick Gentry Law Firm. It's called Rush on Business, if you want to read his blog. Rush, what are the one or two things that most business people need to know before they get into trouble?
Well, one of the things that business owners do is they fail to get things in writing. And we'd all like to think that we could do business by a handshake these days, but the reality is that we cannot. And if more business owners would come in and get their contracts reviewed or have a contract written, they'd find themselves saving money in the long run. Because if you don't do that, you'll find yourself in litigation often, and it may cost you a lot more in the long run than the few $100s it might have to write or review a contract.
This might really surprise some people, Rush, but law is all about relationships too, isn't it?
One of the most important things is to build a relationship with your attorney, because it really helps the attorney advise the client much more easily. If you know how that client is thinking, what their industry is about, it saves time and money down the road. And when you have a problem, you know that who you can go to. And I represent a lot of people who use me as their outside general counsel. And in those situations, if I can't handle it, I usually know who it is that we need to get them to. So having that ongoing relationship is just critical to the success and making sure that you're doing preventative measures as opposed to ending up in litigation a lot.